Hi, this is Frank here, and in this video I'm going to show you how do you set up your menu for your smart POS system. So in the menu tab you can see there's 5 different pages. Menu time, category, dishes, and group for modifier and dish modifier. So the first one, menu time, that you can by default we have added the all menu time for you. It will actually this time is suitable for 24 hours 7 days a week. So if, for example, if you have different menu that you want to only display during certain time of the week, so what you can do is to add a menu time in here. For example, lunch, and let's say from 12 to 3 of the day, and then it will only serve in the from Monday to Friday, the weekday. So here you can see that Monday to Friday. So when you have finished configure that, you can submit the change. So in here you can see there's a new menu time in here, which is called lunch. So when you're done with the menu time, go to the category setting. That depends on how many category you have. You can just add it in here. Simply just type in the name of the category, and this is very important here, the menu time that you want your category to display during the day. So in this example we have a menu time of all and a menu time for the lunch. So for example, if I want to only display this into during the lunch time, so I call it lunch set. So save the change, and you see that we have a new category called lunch set, and will only display during the lunch time. So when you are done with the category setting, go to the dish setting in here. So in the dish setting you can add or delete or edit any dishes you want. And in this account we have already created different dishes for this menu. So what you have to do is do the same procedure. Click the add button in here. Type in the name of the dishes, and you have to choose the category that the dishes is belong to. For example, set lunch 1, I call it, and then it's linked with the set lunch category, and you can add different dishes info. Let's say it's fish and pork, fish and pasta together. The price would be £10, and this is very important, the printer type here. The printer type is actually the dishes belong to which printer that you want the printer to print out. For example, that's a pasta, so you want to link these dishes to the kitchen. But if that is not a pasta, for example that's a drink, you should link it to the bar printer. So and you can add the picture that you wanted, just save the picture you wanted in here and click submit. And I'm not going to save it here because I have already got my menu. And for the next one, the group for modifier. So here our modifier is designed to, because for example we have a dressing called salad dressing, and you don't want customer to choose that every dressing in the same dishes. So you want to allow them only one at a time. So you have to create the group for modifier in here. So you have the group, and then when you create the group, you can actually group the modifier into one single group. And when your customer or your staff choose the modifier for your dishes, it will automatically limit that one one modifier for one group, so you will not have any duplicate modifier, or maybe the same salad sauces in one dishes, different salad sauce in one dishes. So when you have done all this setting, and it is out just for final summary. So when you add the modifier, it is very easy for you to add it. So for you have, let's say, more salt, and you can actually pick up the dishes that the modifier belong to. Just click on the checkbox here, and you can even add or maybe minus the price from your dishes. So if, let's say, if you have a modifier that will cost you additional money, so you would like to charge it to your customer, so you just have to type in like the number of the cost that you want to charge it for this modifier, let's say 2, and then it will update it in your smart POS system. And for any question, feel free to contact us, or maybe leave the comment in the YouTube video. And thanks for listening.